baka you could clear this issue with us regarding the word fugitive because medyo hati po kasi talaga no, pagdating sa legalidad yung terminolohiya na fugitive. Others would say he is already a fugitive in justice, pero yung iba sinasabi niya medyo yung teknikalidad nung word na yan, hindi nila masabi na talagang fugitive si Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Napakagandang tanong po, no, na dapat malaman ng mga kababayan natin na Supreme Court mismo po. Sa Supreme Court lang po kayo maniwala. Sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa Vallecar Transit versus Yanson, ang ibig sabihin po ng isang fugitive, hindi lamang ito limitado sa isang tao na na-convict tapos ay gusto niyang i-evade ang kanyang sentence or ang kanyang penalty. Ang isang tao ay maituturing din na fugitive if that person is charged but he or she is evading prosecution or apprehension. So hindi kailangan ng conviction tapos dun ka pa lamang tatakas para matawag kang isang fugitive. Kahit ikaw ay not charged pa lamang but nag-flee ka na or tumakas ka, nagtatago ka, you are already considered a fugitive under the law.
Well, it's glad that we heard that. Kasi ang daming takes dyan. Si former Justice Ascuna said na si Bato is not a fugitive at this point but can be arrested. Kasi sabi niya, he cleared that if you use the word fugitive, he cannot function sa Senate already because it takes away his right to function as a Senate. Well, si Dean Aquino naman, Arnilio Aquino, said pwede siyang fugitive na because it's just a technical term.
So now, we all know, right?
Yeah, paano yung take na yun, attorney, in regards to functioning as the Senate?
As to the functioning as a senator, of course, if you are a fugitive from justice, first off, you are evading the lawful legal processes, the lawful processes. Paano ka ba makakapagtrabaho as a senator? Tandaan po natin, ang isang senador ay nagbabalangkas ng batas, right? Kailangan ay uma-attend ka sa mga Senate hearings, sa mga committee hearings na ikaw ay chairman or member. So, it is a waste of taxpayers' money kung ikaw ay maituturing pang nagfa-function as a senator even if you are actively hiding from lawful arrest.